help me send this letter to my wife.
All right. You have my word.
Tell me, where did you hide them?
I don't know.
Oh no!
We have a legal warrant to search this farm. Sir, we found nothing suspicious during the search.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Why did you deliberately make that up and waste our entire day? There were no weapons hidden in that garden. None at all.
I just wanted to make things easier for my wife during harvest season.